and welcome back to my YouTube channel Kudoz Craze. So today I am going to tell you all that how can we make a wheat flour date cake, and we are going to use jaggery in this cake. So this is a healthy cake. So let's get started. So I hope Kudos you liked watching this video and you also liked my date cake recipe, and don't forget to try this cake because this is a healthy cake. And please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching my video.